Anytime you will add fractions, you have to make sure that you are going to have common denominator. In other words, you can add fractions only when you have the same denominator. In our case, we have the same denominator. The denominator is 7 and 7 over here, okay? So I can add them up. Adding fractions means you have to keep the denominator and add the numerators. In this case, I have 2 plus 3, which is equal 5. I cannot reduce anything because I do not have any common factor for 5 and 7. So this is the answer to the problem. Now let's check another example. Again, I have to check if I have common denominator. The common denominator for these two fractions is 5. That's why the denominator is going to stay. And if I have common denominator, I can add the numerators. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Again, I cannot reduce anything because there is no common factor for 3 and 5. That's why this is the solution to this problem.